Riddle me that. Yeah, I'm drinking a glass of milk. Serves 3? More like just me. I think I'm having a burnout. An existential crisis. A burnout. Ah! It's been quite some time since I've made a vlog. And there's some good reasons for that and some, I don't know what I'm fucking, I haven't eaten today. So I'm gonna make some beef and broccoli. It's been rough. It's been a bit rough, this whole college thing. College. All right, I think that looks better. Riddle me this. How do I go from, wanting to become a film major, wanting to go into cinematography and videography and like maybe making a movie or a documentary one day. And then all of a sudden, I'm like, yeah, you know what? I think I like doing the freelance video stuff more than making movies. And so now I'm stuck with, well, should I go into business because, that's roughly what freelance stuff is based around, or should I go into film? The film route is usually easier, but the business route is more promising and a little bit more stable than the film route. So I feel like I'm losing my fucking mind. The whole roommate thing. I gotta get footage of, oh my god. Dude, I can't fucking do it. Oh my god, I'm fucking exhausted. Growing up in Milwaukee, I feel like I have one foot in and one foot out. Like, yes, I'm going to college, and yes, it's an education, and yeah, I'm not exactly sure about my major, but I'm still at home. And the convenience of having home close to school it's too convenient. By the way, shout out to Anna for letting me borrow her apartment because my dorm situation is an absolute nightmare, and I don't think I like the dorm life, I'll be honest. So I'm spending the night here. I was planning on going to go shoot a car video, but you might have probably bailed on me. I think I'm gonna try and get the vlog back going together, because I did miss that shit. That's something I did miss. So it's like midnight. I was called and I told myself that I would say yes to go to every single thing I get invited to get my mind off of shit. I'm so mentally tired, but I'm not physically, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and drive up to Quick Trip. Yeah, let's go. So I'm here, but none of the lights are on. And I think I am going to that function because I got a text back saying that it's on, so. Did not know that the Speedway closes on a Saturday at 12 in the morning. I don't get it, so I'm gonna go to this function and we'll see what happens. I get there and it's the classic sausage party with 3 girls and 10 dudes in a room. I'm kind of done with partying. Holy shit, I think I just grew up. Man, I'm so tired. I need to go to bed. Calm down before you stress up the groove. The energy a little different when the blessings accrue. Hey, who you talking to? Just know I ain't no regular fool. On a scale of 1 to 10, how tired do I look? This is my dorm. Let me give you a little tour. So we got the desk space right there. Got this MacBook for pretty much just editing. It's what I'm going to be editing my vlogs on. That's my old 5-year veteran MacBook. Right now I'm watching Good Morning America, but that's besides the point. Over there we got the laundry hamper of clothes that I never do laundry. And usually what happens is I say that I'm gonna do laundry one day, and then I end up having to either go to class or go to work, or something pops up, and so I never get the laundry done. So there's always laundry. I mean, we got my bed, which I'm not gonna show because it's always messy, and you know, I would love to make my bed every morning, but dude, it's on a loft. Right behind me, you got all my hanging clothes. This is where my clothes go. My roommate sleeps over there. I mean, it's not a lot, and there's not a lot of decoration, but you know, it works. I left the tripod at Anna's house, so I'm gonna have to freehand this one. My apologies for the weird angle. I've just kind of realized in the past, I don't know, week or so, I've been living in Milwaukee for my entire life. Like, I love it. I love Milwaukee, but I've just done it before, you know? I feel like I need to go out, to Colorado maybe? I feel like I need to go out and explore the world and be put in an unfamiliar place. This sounds terrible, but it'll make me vulnerable in the way where I'll be excited to be there. You know, I thought coming to UW would make, you know, it would make sense. You know, I know where everything is, home is close, but when it really comes down to it, I don't think I'm necessarily as happy here. And I know that being put in a new place won't necessarily make me happier, but I think it will make it a little more exciting. And I think the reason why I'm gonna start picking up the vlogs again is because A, it's therapeutic. I get to talk to a camera about what I'm thinking about and how my mind is processing things, and also just to share, you know, my story, because I feel like I fell off the wall with the vlogs, and like, you know, ever since then I feel like I haven't totally been myself. And you know, I love videography, and I think when it comes down to it, it's doing what you love. I love doing this, so why not, you know? I think I'm gonna start doing the vlogs again, and I don't want to get emotional or anything, but I miss doing this. I really do. I work too hard for it, yeah.